The modern way of living, which is primarily sedentary, has to lead to a drastic increase in people suffering from poor circulation. As most of us spend every spare minute in front of the TV or laptop, it's no wonder blood circulation is one of the first affected segments of an inactive lifestyle. Another common culprit for this condition is a poor diet marked by convenience food, often depleted of nutrients. In other words, our bodies are deprived of healthy nutrition and physical activity, the two staples of good overall health. But the problem doesn't stop here, as poor circulation triggers other health issues. Aside from your tissues not getting enough oxygen and nutrients, your bloodstream also becomes loaded with fat and cholesterol that clog your arteries in time. The exercises we recommend here are extremely beneficial for improving blood circulation. If you combine these with a well-balanced diet, you'll be able to improve this condition in no time. Stretching. According to health experts, stretching is the first thing people should do immediately after waking up. It only takes a couple of minutes, but it effectively boosts circulation at the start of your day. Joint exercise. Joints exercise is also strongly recommended. Stand with your feet flat on the ground. Lift your heels while standing on your toes. Hold this position for 2 to 3 seconds. Make sure your calf muscles are tightened. Do 10 repetitions. Feet rotation. This simple, yet highly effective exercise can do wonders for your circulation. Sit in a chair, then start rotating your foot clockwise. Repeat 10 times, then swap feet. The exercise improves not only your blood circulation but also your leg muscles. Push-ups. Push-ups can also be quite effective in the treatment of poor circulation. Start your day with a set of 10 push-ups, which will give you enough energy for the day. Walking. According to health experts, walking is one of the most beneficial exercises for blood circulation. Walking tones and relaxes your leg muscles while improving blood flow all over the body. It can also reduce hypertension. Start with short walks 2 to 3 times a week. Swimming. Swimming is an exceptionally beneficial workout as it involves all body muscles. It also improves the oxygen supply to your heart and lungs. Aside from relieving muscle and joint pain, it's suitable for people of all ages. Yoga. Yoga is a great way to master your breathing techniques, which on the other hand, improve oxygen concentration in your blood as well as blood flow in your muscles. Cycling. Cycling is one of the best workouts for improving circulation in the lower part of the body. Dancing. Last, but not least, dancing or dance therapy is becoming an increasingly popular and helpful method to relieve stress and improve blood flow all over your body because it actually involves all the muscles.